Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to present our project which is high-tech trolley. So before we started, the members of our group is me, Afiqah binti Ahmad Fuzi, then Saiyyidah Nafisah binti Bakri, Siti Nurkhuzaihah binti Jusoh, Nurfatihah binti Yusharizal, and Farina binti Kamsin. So what is high-tech trolley? High-tech trolley is a device that is implemented to make it easier for customers to shop at grocery outlets or buy things within the malls. It is a device where it is equipped by a scanner and a screen tablet at top of it to make it more convenient and efficient throughout the shopping. This trolley will also help the users to calculate the price of the things in the shopping cart so that it would not exceed the user's budget, which shows a very useful tool for consumers to use. Move,
So moving on to the next part, I will present the consumer trend canvas. As you can see here, the trend is convenience. Basic needs is user friendly, easy to handle, interested in advanced technology, and it is a good use for shopping. Then moving on to the next part here. The inspiration is to make the users feel easy to handle, and the users will think that many things can be occupied in one trolley, and also it will save times for users. Next, the emerging expectation is that it will working smoothly, enjoy enjoy saving time, get to know the quantity of item and the total of things that we buy whenever we need it, and also the expectation of using the quality material for the trolley. So where we can apply it at the shopping marts, at the malls, at the book festival or bookshops. And what do we aim? To the workers, families, students and shoppers. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saiyyidah Nafisah binti Bakri and I will present the product description. The detail and service of product. The product name is High Tech Trolley, manufacturer from Iris to E Corporation. The item model number is HTT1. Item weight is 132 pounds. The size is 74 by 45 by 88. The card battery is 30,000 mAh. For the color, it's have the silver color. The material used is steel. The power source is corded electric. The voltage is 200 volt. For its special features, it has a screen tablet and scanner. For its working time, it is 182 minutes. The charging time is 3 hours. It has a wireless access, which is Wi-Fi. The payment method that I accept for now is card payment. The other feature is tracking device, handbrake facility, wheel, portable device power supply. The high-tech trolley will undoubtedly require a very attractive and adaptable design in order to draw people to the product. These products are targeted for the using in the supermarket, and everybody who purchase stuff from the store will be using the trolley. However, the store's owner will decide how much room there is for the trolleys. Simple said, the shopping cart is and will continue to be a crucial part of the overall shopping experience. As a result, Business who employ this card have a duty to make sure that their design appropriately meet the needs of their customers. For this product to perform to an extent that has been planned, numerous input and application, such as a network connection, wireless database, security, payment mechanism are necessary. The high-tech trolley easy to move around. It also fit with a security tracking device to prevent individual from taking it outside of the ground of the retailer. It used only for card payment. It outfit with a barcode scanner and a screen device, which is a shopping tablet, to display all the scanned product and their prices. And also it have a button label help that may be tapped for any kind of assistance that needed. The shopping tablet ought to be user friendly, has a touch screen, be simple in use, be able to be attached to the card, has a mode that dynamically save battery, and be enabled with wireless connectivity. In order to conduct a product search and browse through available items, the connected smart device must be the capability to link or connect with the shop database. The trolley should be designed with four wheel, a brake, and easy to handle or steering. After shopping, the device has the capability to send a receipt via text message or email if needed by providing your number or email address. All devices that are attached need to have their own power supply. Multiple input and applications such as a network connection, which is wireless database, security, payment mechanism are required for this product in order to realize the level of functionality that has been designed for it. The component of the high-tech trolley design are object sensor. The feature help you detect nearby objects so that you can avoid colliding with them. Second is shopping via touchscreen device. It helps you shop more efficiently with your smart tablet. Next is the tracking device. This should be synchronized with the security system of the store in order to prevent any from the thief. You will also hear a beeping smooth sound if an item has not been scanned, which will let you know that the item has or haven't been scanned. Other component is handbrake facility. This allows the driver to stop the trolley by manually applying the brake. The other one is product scanner, a device utilized for the purpose of scanning product. It also has the component which is wheel. This component make it easier to roll or push the trolley. The last one is portable device power supply. This supply the high-tech trolley with the necessary electrical energy. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farina Binti Kamsin. My student ID 2020456156. I will now start my presentation. Why my product different from others? First, we know it's safer and improved in shopping experience, which we know the COVID-19 recently COVID-19 has brought us more panic and anxiety and has stimulated us to care more about our health and safety. As a high-tech trolley, it could support customers scan items barcode by themselves and check out by themselves and it could provide customer a safer shopping experience. Second, it quicker shopping and saving much time because in many supermarket or big shopping malls there is usually a long queue at the cash counter, and waiting in line is very boring and usually costs a lot of time. As a smart shopping high-tech trolley, it could support customer checkout directly on the cart. This means customers who use a smart shopping trolley, and they can skip the cash counter and skip the long queues forever. Next, it could also increase per customer transaction and sales revenue. As a high-tech trolley could collect customer shopping data and shopping preference, it could also push related items information and precision coupons to customer. The per customer transaction will increase accordingly. There is some evidence that could prove the fact. The total sales revenue in the store where there is a smart art trolley will also increase as proved when implemented from other countries. Next, why my product different from others? Because it's a customer friendly. Our product is different from other because it has a special features and design that user will appreciate its speed and convenience, especially during busy periods such as weekends and holidays. The system is fun and user-friendly. Thus, the system allows constant monitoring to ensure that stock counts are up to date. Lastly, it is easy to use. The obvious benefit for supermarket is that they will need a fewer cashiers to ring up the sale, but there are also a couple of benefits for shoppers, as well as being able to skip the queue. The cart touchscreen can point out nearby items that are on sale, and it could one day recommend purchase based on items you have already put in your cart. It is built-in tablet, so it can also act as a map of a store. That's it from me. I will pass my presentation to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurkhuzaihah binti Jusoh. I will continue our group presentation with technology description. As we know, in the world of international commercial, technology has become a powerful force. From sale growth to marketing effectiveness and HR strategy, technology control almost every aspect for life here. Technology has enabled brands to not only expand their reach and sell themselves more efficiently and effectively, but also to increase their market share and customer base. Brands intensively investigate in current technologies such as digital technology and social media. Because this is a technology company, the importance of technology in its operation is significantly greater. Every year, the company invests much on research and development. Nowadays, a lot of people buy in malls. Customers at the mall, however, encounter a variety of issues, particularly when trying to locate the item they wish to purchase. A customer will experience issues since it will be difficult for them to compute all of the items they have placed in the cart as a result. Additionally, buyers find it difficult to purchase things from the store assortment since some malls do not have proper price tag on all of their items. The client will suffer as a result. In addition, we often have no clue what sort of appliance would best meet our need and be useful to us when we go shopping for any new equipment. Finding the ideal one might be challenging since we want the greatest item to save us time and make us feel comfortable. The year is the 21st century. The trolley need a technical upgrade. As soon as a result, a new technology known as high-tech trolley was developed, with the intention of employment trolley with all the new function. The high-tech trolley combines scan and sensor so that the product may not only self-calculate but also tell the customer which item have not scanned yet. A smart sensor is included into the device and the mounted next to the high-tech trolley. The process is straightforward. The high-tech trolley will scan all of the price of the product that consumer have added and determine the final price. This will switch on the trolley electricity and activate. For instance, a high-tech trolley will lead customer to the region or location of the thing they are looking for. The trolley also has a button that customer may click to remove any of the item from it. A variety of versions are available for high-tech trolley units, and this model offer a variety of capabilities including scanning, negation tool, calculator, and perform maths shown on the tablet screen at the trolley.
My name is Nurfatihah Binti Yusharizal. My student ID is 2020489768, and now I will be presenting the financial estimates part. As we can see here from the slide, financial estimates consist of 6 parts, which is startup cost, working capital, startup capital and financing, cash flow statement, income statement, last but not least, balance sheet. First, we start with startup cost part. As we can see here, startup cost consists of some requirements which are fixed assets, working capital, pre-operation and other expenditure, and contingencies. The total startup cost of our company is 192,946 ringgit Malaysia. Next, moving to the working capital, the total of working capital parts consists of 3 parts, which is administrative budget, operation budget, and also marketing budget. The total working capital for administrative budget is 52,591 ringgit Malaysia. While here that currently showing on the slide is working capital for marketing budget that give the total of 18,710 ringgit Malaysia. And now we have working capital for operation budget that gives the total of 112,489 ringgit Malaysia. So next we will show you our startup capital and financing. So this is our summary of startup capital and financing where you can see our own contribution and loans used in this company. As you can see, we use cost for startup this company is 192,946 ringgit, and then we take the loan from the bank, which give the total of 67,608 ringgit Malaysia, and for our own contribution we will give 125,338 ringgit Malaysia. In addition, for the next part, cash flow. Now we will show you our total cash flow for year 1, year 2 and year 3. For cash inflow, the first year we get 192,200, year 2 199,833 ringgit Malaysia, Lastly, year 3 we got 199,833 ringgit Malaysia. While for total cash outflow for the first year, we get 145,500, year 2 152,420 ringgit. Year 3 we get 160,216 ringgit Malaysia. Furthermore, next to the income statement part, we have concluded for 3 years, which is year 1, 655,530 ringgit, year 2, 828,606 ringgit, lastly year 3, 937,900 ringgit Malaysia. As for the conclude, for 3 years income statement sales, for the first year we got 529,530 ringgit, year 2, 822,306 ringgit, lastly year 3 we got 931,600 ringgit Malaysia. Last but not least, for our last part, balance sheet. So from here we can determine our company assets, liabilities and also the capitals. So from here our total assets is 1,141,174 ringgit for year 1. As for year 2, 1,875,876 ringgit. For year 3, 2,444,779 ringgit. As for the total equity and liabilities, for year 1, 1,141,174 ringgit. For year 2, 1,876,876 ringgit, and for year 3, 2,444,779 ringgit Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you for listening to all of our presentation.